Alright, welcome back everyone. In the last video, I gave you a quick peek at the top features of the new smart AI glasses for 2025. Now it's time for the deep dive. We're going to unbox them, put them through some serious real-world tests, and find out if they're truly worth the hype. Let's get started. So here it is, the box for the 2025 smart AI glasses. The packaging feels super premium, very clean and minimal. Inside, we've got the glasses themselves, a magnetic charging case, a cleaning cloth, and some documentation. My first impression holding these. Wow, they are surprisingly lightweight but feel incredibly well built. The design is sleek and subtle. They honestly look more like stylish prescription glasses than a piece of high-tech gear. They sit really comfortably on my face, no awkward pressure points, which is a huge plus for all-day wear. Okay, let's take these out into the real world. First up, AR navigation. I'm heading to a coffee shop I've never been to. The directions are appearing right in my field of view, subtle but clear. Turn-by-turn arrows just float. In front of me, it feels like magic. No more looking down at my phone. Now for live translation. My friend is going to speak some Spanish. Hola. And there it is. The English translation appears as a subtitle instantly. This is a game changer for travel. Next, I'm going for a quick jog to test the fitness tracking. It's monitoring my heart rate, distance, and pace, all displayed without me needing to check a watch. And as for notifications, I'm getting texts and calendar alerts appearing gently in my peripheral vision. I can dismiss them with a simple nod or reply with my voice. It's seamless. Let's talk about the AI. The voice commands are incredibly responsive. Hey AI, what's my first meeting today? And it tells me instantly. It can draft emails, set smart reminders based on my location, and even identify objects. I just looked at a plant and asked what it was, and it gave me the species and care instructions. The productivity potential here is insane. Now for the technical stuff. I've been using these for about 5 hours straight navigating, taking calls, listening to music, and the battery is at 45%. The company claims a full day of moderate use, and that seems pretty accurate. Performance is snappy, with no lag when switching between apps. I also ran a heat test during a long video call. They got slightly warm near the temples, but it was never uncomfortable, which was a big issue with previous models. So how do these stack up? Compared to last year's model, the battery life is easily doubled, and they're about 30% lighter. The AI is also significantly smarter and faster. Against competitors, their biggest advantage is the seamless software integration and the understated design. Others might have a slightly wider field of view, but they often look bulky and feel heavier. These glasses prioritize practicality for everyday use. So, who are these for? If you're a professional who's always on the go, the hands-free productivity is a lifesaver. For travelers, the navigation and translation are incredible. Students can use them for research and reminders. And for creators like me, it opens up a whole new way to capture content and stay connected. Let's break it down. Pros. The design is stylish and comfortable. The AI features are genuinely useful. The battery life is solid, and the AR display is bright and non-intrusive. Cons. The price is definitely on the higher end, and while the field of view is good for notifications, it's not fully immersive for things like watching movies. Also, you're still dependent on your smartphone for a data connection. So, the final verdict. Should you buy the 2025 smart AI glasses? If you're an early adopter who wants the most advanced and practical smart glasses on the market, then absolutely. They have finally crossed the line from a cool gadget to a genuinely useful tool that can integrate into your daily life. They aren't perfect, but they represent a huge leap forward for wearable tech. Thanks so much for watching this full review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. See you in the next one.